Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello, class 8 candidates. How are you? I hope you are fine, and I'm fine too. I want to welcome you to today's lesson, mathematics lesson on the topic money. Money is still part of measurement, and I want us to just briefly talk about percentage profit and percentage loss. Profit and loss was introduced in the previous classes, whereby you say that profit is the amount of money that you get after selling an item at a higher price than the money you bought the item. If you sell an item at a higher price, for example, the amount of money that you spend when buying is called the buying price. For example, in a buying price of, if you bought a pen for 20 shillings and you sell the pen at 25 shillings, and you sell the pen at 25 shillings, this means that you've sold the pen at a profit. Why? Because the buying price is less than the selling price. So in this case, this is the profit. You also say that loss is when you sell an item at a lower price. When you sell an item at a lower price than the amount of money you bought the item. For example, if you bought the same pen, at 20 shillings, at 20 shillings, this is the buying price, and you sell the pen at 18 shillings. So in this case, we see that you've sold the pen at a loss. So loss is incurred when you sell an item at a lower price than the buying price, whereas profit is whereby you sell an item at a higher price than the amount of money you bought the item. In this case, we are going to look at percentage profit and percentage loss. Percentage profit is given by the profit over the buying price times 100. That is how we get the percentage profit. Get the profit over the buying price, then we multiply by 100, whereby you said profit is given by the selling price minus the buying price. The selling price minus the buying price, because the selling price is higher than the buying price. Percentage loss is given by the loss over the buying price times 100. The loss over the buying price times 100, whereby the loss is given by the selling price minus the buying price. Whereby the loss is given by the selling price minus the buying price. Let's look at an example. Somebody bought a cow at 20,000 shillings. 20,000 shillings. Somebody bought a cow at 20,000 shillings. After 3 months, he sold the cow. At 25,000 shillings. 25,000 shillings. How much was the percentage profit, or how much was the percentage profit, or calculate his percentage profit? This person bought the cow at 20,000 shillings and sold it at 25,000 shillings. So the first thing we have to look at is we have to get the profit incurred, and we say profit is given by the selling price minus the buying price. In our case, the selling price is 25,000 shillings, and the buying price is 20,000 shillings. So the profit incurred by this person was 5,000 shillings. That was the profit. Then the question is asking us to calculate the percentage profit. We read the formula. Percentage profit is given by the profit over the buying price times 100. Times 100. In our case here, our profit is 5,000 shillings over the buying price, which was 20,000 shillings, times 100. Times 100. We simplify 0, 0 by 0, 0 by 0, 0 by 2, 1 by 2, 25. So in our case here, the percentage profit was 25%. That is the percentage profit. So to get percentage profit, first get the profit. After getting the profit, calculate the percentage profit using the formula. Percentage profit is equals to profit over the buying price times 100. And that is how you get the percentage profit. Let's look at the percentage loss. Let's look at the percentage loss. I am going to give you an example. Somebody bought a television set. Somebody sold a television set. In this case, I'm giving you the selling price at 18,000 shillings and incurred a loss of 200 shillings, a loss of 400 shillings. Incurred a loss of 200 shillings. Not 200, but 2,000 shillings. Somebody sold a television set for 18,000 shillings, having incurred a loss of 2,000 shillings. Calculate the percentage loss. Calculate the percentage loss. In this case, we are given the selling price as 18,000 shillings. We are given the loss incurred as 2,000 shillings. Are we given the buying price? No, we are not given the buying price. So here we have to first calculate the buying price, because percentage loss from our formula is given by loss over the buying price times 100. So in our case, we don't have the buying price. Is it possible to get the buying price given the selling price and the loss? Yes. Remember, loss is given by the buying price minus the selling price. In our case, the buying price is always higher, not always, but when calculating loss, the buying price is higher than the selling price. So the buying price will be given by the selling price plus the loss. The buying price will be given by the selling price plus the loss. In our case, the selling price is 18,000 shillings, and this person incurred a loss of 2,000 shillings. So the buying price, that means this person had bought the set at 20,000 shillings. This person had bought the television set at 20,000 shillings. That is why after selling it at 18,000 shillings, he got a loss of 2,000. He got a loss of 2,000. So the percentage loss will be given by, from our formula, loss, which is 2,000, over the buying price, which is 20,000, times 100. Then we simplify. So this person incurred a loss of 10%. This person incurred a loss of 10%. So to get the percentage loss, just get the loss over the buying price times 100. And to get the percentage profit, get the profit over the buying price times 100. Do more examples using the concept learned to ensure that you equip yourself with the concept. Thank you.